We finally got our Slimer in from Halloweencostumes.com. We're super excited, but we did notice that ours had the dislocated arm situation. Luckily, it's a pretty simple fix. We grabbed our Sharpie with it assembled. We went around the collar area where the arm meets the body. This sort of gives us a reference point to cut at. We're gonna cut before that line. It's easier to remove than it is to add material back on. Remove the arm, remove the hardware. You can cut a little bit before the line. We used a saw to saw it off and then test. And if you need to cut again to make it a little bit closer, you can. We just got lucky with the first cut. It came off, we reassembled it, put it back in, and he's good to go. Our Slimer is back to normal and haunting the place. Keeps asking me for food. Thanks for watching, guys.